Everybody keeps asking me what I use instead of AutoDS, so today I'm going over my real dropshipping setup. And yes, I brought receipts. I'll show you guys some real WhatsApp combos and some real tracking numbers from one of my own brands to show you guys this is the actual supplier I use and why they're better than any other supplier out there. So if you're still relying on slow suppliers like AliExpress, this is your sign. Let me show you the free app that can take your dropshipping store and turn it into a real brand overnight. My name's Alex if you're new, and when you're ready, let's get right into it. Now, AutoDS is very popular, but here's the problem. If your supplier is slow or unreliable, automation doesn't even matter in the slightest. And most beginners have more than just a supplier problem. They have a shipping and quality problem as well. And I was tired of the 20 to 30 day shipping times, broken items, fake tracking numbers, and everything else that comes with bad suppliers. So earlier this year, I switched everything to TeamDrop. And I didn't talk about it much until I tested it for a few months, but now they're the only suppliers I'll work with. Testing products is everything with dropshipping. And many times your biggest bottleneck will be fulfillment. And if your supplier can't deliver your products in 5 to 10 days, your brand is dead. You can have the perfect Shopify store and the best ads, but slow shipping will kill everything. Your refund rate will skyrocket, your return on ad spend will die down, and the TikTok comments will come for you. So instead of just another automation tool, here's the free app that I use that fixes everything. Now, like I already mentioned, this supplier is called TeamDrop. I'll leave a link for them down below so you guys can get started. They're completely free to use. It's just like AliExpress. The only time you're gonna have to pay is when your orders come in. There's no monthly fees, there's no storage fees, warehouse fees, per order fees, or anything like that. So go ahead and create your free account. And when you guys log in, you'll be taken to this page right here. From here, you're gonna select Store Management, Authorize Store. You're gonna click Add Store. Then you're gonna select if you wanna add a Shopify store or a WooCommerce store. Click Authorize, and you're all set up and good to go. Linking your Shopify store has never been easier. It's literally just one-click automation. Then you're gonna go back to the homepage, and you have 3 different catalogs to choose from. You can take a look at TeamDrop suppliers, 1688 suppliers, or even Taobao. So once you guys create an account, your new agent should reach out to you right away. They'll be able to source any product you need them to. Then you guys can negotiate on pricing, shipping speeds, or even putting your logo on your product. Like for example, I'll show you guys a screenshot from my own agent to show how helpful they actually are. They source all of my products, they get my prices way lower when I need them to, and they update me on every order that needs further attention. So I hear from my agents about my brand every single day. That's the way it should be. And now I'll go ahead and pull up some recent tracking numbers from one of my own stores. You guys can see I'm getting fast shipping from the moment the tracking number is created to the moment it's delivered at the doorstep. And this goes for any country out there, especially the 2 major markets I'm currently selling in right now, the US and the UK. Now what sets TeamDrop apart is the fact that they can actually put your logo on your products. So if you guys want custom made jewelry or even some print on demand options, TeamDrop has everything. And of course they have auto fulfillment. You can fulfill all of your orders every single day with just one click. So no more spending hours going through fulfilling orders one at a time. So going from a bad supplier like AliExpress to a reliable one like TeamDrop, you're getting accurate tracking updates with every single order. And this will free up your inbox and reduce a lot of customer service requests. Because if your customers can track their orders and get daily updates, they're not gonna need to reach out to you. And of course, the biggest part is that you get your own dedicated account agent. These are people that are actually committed and care about your business. Because the better they help your brand perform, the better they do as a supplier. So let's just take a look at some of the products that TeamDrop actually offers. You guys can see they have a little bit of everything. And if you go up to the top, you guys can actually look at products by the image or even select different categories and niches to choose from. But for now, let's just take a look at all of their products right here. So here's a popular product right here, this multi-language I love you necklace, especially with Valentine's Day around the corner. So if we click on the actual product page, one, we get a lot of high quality content like these product photos right here to use on our website. You can also see all these actual variants that they offer as well. I would definitely clean this up a little bit and maybe offer 3 at most. But right here is where it's really important. Here's your shipping fee, your shipping times, as well as the actual product pricing. So let's say you guys want the rose gold necklace, you only want one. Shipping fee is $5. You're getting it for $7 delivered to your customer. And you can always reach out to these agents to get these prices much lower as well. They're always willing and happy to negotiate. Now, like I mentioned, if you guys want custom made products like print on demand, you guys can select this print on demand tab over here. We can take a look at all of their print on demand products. And it's more than just clothing. You guys can make custom made necklaces. You guys can do these custom orbs like this. You guys can do custom photo gifts, engravings, whatever you need. And if there's a product on there that you don't see already, reach out to your agent and they'll source it for you. Then you guys can click over here on packaging to make all of your custom packaging. So you can do custom bags like this, you can do the custom bubble mailers, boxes, whatever type of packaging you need, they'll be able to source for you. And like I already mentioned, This takes your business from a generic looking dropshipping store to a premium brand feel. And this is how you stay afloat long term. So of course, as all of your orders come in, you'll select this orders tab right here. You'll click purchase order. And I'm gonna go ahead and blur all of this out because this is all my own store right now, but I wanna show you guys how simple this is. So you guys can see all of your orders right here as they come in. You guys can click this little box at the top to select every single order, click pay at the bottom, and that's all you have to do every single day. They'll ship all of your orders out for you as they come in. So as you guys can see right here, I have 136 orders to fulfill today. It's gonna cost me about $1,200. I can just click pay and I'm done for the day. There's seriously no better supplier than Team Drop. So you guys already know I never promote anything that I don't personally use. This is literally my supplier, my agent, and all of my orders. But this is the supplier I wish I had when I was first getting started. It would have saved me hundreds of thousands of dollars over the years. So if you want to test it out, the link's down below in the description. It's 100% free. But that is by far the best supplier for 2026. If you found any value in this video, consider leaving a like, sharing it with others, and subscribing for more. I have a ton of helpful resources down below, like my free course to help you get started. Don't miss out on any of those. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.